so the Live Fit Boys wanted to do something super special for all of our subscribers out there. And as you can guess by the title, we're gonna give away a boat. So this obviously isn't gonna be a brand new boat, since this is a restoration channel where we buy and sell and flip boats. This is a project boat. So free project boat giveaway. And these are Super Sunfish. And I've got a handful of them that, believe it or not, I pulled out of the trash. And these boats, brand new, cost their own almost $4,000. Obviously they're going to need a rudder, a mast, and a sail, and they're also going to need some fiberglass work. But for any of you fiberglass ninjas out there who might be able to put some patches on these sorts of things, paint this sucker. This is going to be a super cool starter sailboat. Myself personally, I've never sailed and I always wanted to learn. And when I saw these boats, I said, you know, I've got to try it. I've got to just, you know, do some of this fiberglass. Some of this already was fiberglass once before, and I believe that's why they're getting rid of them, is because they've patched them a couple times, but now there's some new damage. So if you're good at fiberglassing, you want to take on a little project, I believe the mast for these boats, the mast and the sail is only $500. So for basically $500 plus the cost of some fiberglass and paint, you can have yourself a sailboat, or maybe for your son or something like that. So if you're like me, you want to learn how to sail, these would be a perfect little starter sailboat. So we're giving away one of these boats to someone that makes a comment, any comment. I don't care what you write. You can put in, you can put your name, you can put "this is awesome," I don't care. Put a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel. If you're subscribed and you have commented, I'm going through, I'm adding up all the names. We're gonna put everybody in a random number generator and we're gonna pull. I'm not exactly sure when, it might be 2 weeks or so, and we're gonna pull a name and come pick up your free boat. It's going to be in Mandeville, so if you live close to Mandeville, this is going to be worth your while. But otherwise, if you want to, you know, take a road trip or something, or think you're going to the coast at some point soon, we're not too far from the coast. So y'all subscribe. I'm just really happy to be hosting our first giveaway on Still Alive. As always, guys, y'all stay safe out there so y'all can return home still alive. So Hurricane Ida has really devastated this area. And when you just have a bunch of stuff, there's nothing else to do with it other than throw it out. And as you can see here, the Mandeville Harbor has boats. It looks like they're throwing out here, and they are past the fence in a garbage pile.